When you send to the FI department, FI people, accounting people, what they will do? They will do the proper credit memo, debit memo. How they will do? See here, FB75, they will do credit memo, debit memo. So SD people will do the credit memo request, debit memo request. Then only FI people will do the credit memo, debit memo. Once their credit and debit is correct, then only they're going to create a profit and loss and balance sheet and accountability. So for FI people only, we are going to do the credit memo request, debit memo request. We don't have any authorization of doing anything. Those people will do. So this is a credit memo, debit memo. Any doubt? All of you, any doubt? Any doubt?
Sir, hello, sir.
Ah, yes.
Sir, credit memo is integration point of FI and SD, right?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay.
100%. They are the people they're going to do the account adjustment, paper adjustment for that. Because who has taken the order from the customer? SD people. So they have to send one request, credit memo request, debit memo request, and then only they're going to do the credit memo, debit memo. FI people is the final people. Okay, so that is why
Okay.
credit memo request, debit memo request does not have schedule lines. Correct. Credit memo request, debit memo request is a complaint request. It is after, it will happen after billing. Credit memo request, debit memo request is an integration of SDFI. Credit memo request, debit memo request refers billing document as well as sales document. Credit memo request, debit memo request will be generated by SD people. Then only FI people will do the credit memo, debit memo. That's all. No other thing. In the same way, debit memo. So how you are given CR like this, here also you give VA01, press enter. Instead of CR, you give DR. Again, if you maintain CMIR, no need to enter a sales area. So here it is a debit memo request. So which one the transactions will happen, you can do that. So again, here also create more request. If you give here, say one quantity value is this. So here it is referring the billing. So it refers the bill. So again here header data back. Now double click on the material number. Here you go to the condition, give the price here, and here you give 100, press enter. See, there is no schedule line data. Why? It is a paperwork, account adjustment work. So once you go this and do edit, click edit incompletion log. Now it is asking for order for reason. Here also you give material is ruined. That is why you are rejecting. So then document complete, then save. Since there is no delivery, directly do billing. Slash NVF01. Here you have to give billing type, you have to give L2. L2 means debit memo. Then if you save, it will go to the FI department. Then FI people will do the credit memo, debit memo like this. That's all. Okay, that is their headache. For that, they need one debit memo request, credit memo request. So that is why SD people will create a credit memo request, debit memo request. Then only FI people will do credit memo, debit memo. That is a final. That is a main. So that is why these are all very, very important. So these things you should know thoroughly. So these documents are very, very important. So with this, I complete all the sales documents. That is inquiry document, quotation document, order document, delivery document, cash sales document, rush sales document, consignment sales document, contract sales document, then create more request sales document, debit more request sales document. Then I'll tell you what is next. Okay. So any doubt in this? So your training is one
No,
week
sir.
or your training is 1 week or what? What is that valid training last date? Any last date? It is a 1 week training or 10 days training? Huh? They're not mentioned anything. They're
Up
not
to
mentioned anything. What? Yeah, training. They're not mentioned anything. Okay, leave it. Okay. So I'll stop up to this. So tomorrow I'm going to do the sales document customization, delivery document customization, billing document customization, and pricing customization. After that, copy control. Then I'll tell the determination. Then I'll tell you the S4HANA as a consultant. What are the things you should know S4HANA? Then I'll give the S4HANA exam questions. But before that, you have to do SD exam. SD exam you take. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine then. Okay.
Uh,
So
Hi, sir.
now,
Hello.
any doubt? Please ask me. Yes. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
they have given end date of 15 November.
15th November. Okay. Okay. No
Yes.
problem. No problem. Okay. No problem. Even I'll take 2 days extra. So no problem. Every batch I'll take 2-3 days extra. But what I am
Okay, sir.
worrying is every day some 14 or 15 people are coming. Now only 12 people are there. Why the 2 people simply coming and going? If they lose the class, it will be problem for them. No. Hmm? Fine then. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. So we'll meet tomorrow. 7:30. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.